So guys, today I'm going to experiment to make a foolproof starter for the Reuteri yogurt. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make 1 cup with Reuteri Plus I have from Swanson, with Inulin that I have here from Austerlitz. And the idea is that I'm going to only put it in the machine for 4 hours like a normal yogurt, and that should develop a nice thickness. And then this one I will use as my first batch, to make my first batch, let's say, like I will call it my starters. So I'm going to take the capsule. That's what it looks like. For this time, I'm just going to use a little bit of Inulin and some organic milk. A little bit. I'm just going to stir that up. That's it. I'm going to put this for 4 hours in the yogurt maker, and let's see what the result is. Okay, so I put it at 8, 6 hours passed. I know I said 4, but 6 hours passed, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Straight from the cup here. It's actually still liquid. It did a little formation. Okay, so I have to leave it more. So instead of 4 hours, it took about, of course I slept in between, 20 hours. And now I have a clear yogurt. You see the yogurt on the top is pretty clear. It's not with the yellowing and stuff. So I'm going to use this for my real first batch, instead of wasting 2 liters of milk. And here we have this first cup that I did. Very thick.